Hello everyone, welcome to Soma Academy where I make math simple. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find the equation of a tangent line. However, before we get started, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Okay, let's get to it. So, we have an equation y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 at the point x is equal to 1. And we want to find the equation of the tangent line. In order to do that, there are three things that we need to find. Okay, let's say we are given x is equal to 1. We need to find the value of y at that point, and we also need to find the slope of this line. So let us start with the easy one. We have the equation. Let me rewrite the equation. Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 at x is equal to 1. So let's substitute the value of x in this equation in order to find y. So y is equal to 1 cubed, because that's the value of x, minus 4, 1 squared plus 5 times 1 plus 1. So then you have y is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we found the value for y. We also have the value for x. We need to find the slope. Let me do that in the next page. So we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, just like we found previously. Okay, so what is the slope? We need to find m. M is the slope. By m, I mean the slope. And how do we find? We take the derivative of the equation. Find the derivative of the equation, which is written as y prime. Y prime of 2x. Okay, before I do that, let me rewrite the equation, okay, so that you can see clearly. Okay, so we have the equation as 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. And this, we want to find y prime, which is the derivative of this equation. So in order to find the derivative of this equation, what we have to do is multiply this constant, bring this constant down and multiply with whatever you have as the coefficient of x cubed. That will mean 6x reduce the power by 1, that is x to the power of 2 now. So do the same for this one. 2 times 4 is 8, x to the power of 1, because I've reduced by 1, so you don't need to write, plus 5 only, because x to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number to the power of 0 is a constant, 1, which is so then you multiply 5 times 1, it just gives you the derivative of a constant is always 0. So you evaluate this derivative at the point x is equal to 1, which is the value that is given. So y prime, which is the same as m, is equal to 6 times 1 squared minus 8 times 1 plus, okay, this is just 1, okay, plus 5. Okay, so this is 6 minus 8 plus 5. That gives me 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 8 is 3. So now we have all the values that we need in order to find the slope. So the slope m is 3, x is given as 1, y is given y is 4. We found it. So now let us write the equation. Okay, the equation of any line can be written as y is equal to mx plus b or plus c. Sometimes they use different terms there. Okay, so remember we have the value for y. In order to find b, which is the one that is not given in this case, is we use y, we found it to be 4, the slope is 3, x is given as 1 plus b. So this will give me 4 is equal to 3 plus b. To solve for b, we subtract 3 from both ends. These two will cancel. Therefore, b is equal to 1. Okay. Now, final step is y. The equation is y is equal to mx. M is 3. Keep the variable x plus 1, which is what we found here. So that is how you solve, or rather how you find the equation of a tangent line at a given point. You have to find the value for y, you have to find the slope, you have to find the constant here, this constant, and then write the equation. I hope you found this helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, happy learning.